A military school for kids? One suggestion this evening to tackle the soaring crime rate in the island. It comes days after children were violently attacked in separate incidents across the island. Halshane Burke reports.
It's been a bloody few weeks in the island, especially in St. Catherine, where children have been at the center of attacks. And as crime continues to cripple the country, Jamaicans at home and abroad are growing wary. Malachi Smith is the president of the Jamaica Ex-Police Association of South Florida.
When you see like the gruesome murder of that 8-year-old child, it burns me, it burns my heart. And that's why we do what we do to try and make a difference.
The association is trying to make a difference by giving back to the country, especially to agencies responsible for safety, security and education. However, President of the Jamaica Ex-Soldiers Association, Hudson Grant, wants to take things a step further. He believes a military school for children could solve some of the crime problems.
We should capture the youths from the age of 12. There's always been a passion of mine. Where you capture the youths from age 12, you put them into a military academy. And those guys will grow up and do their academic, and at least they will learn the basic discipline of spreading their beds and doing their chores. When they reach 16, they decide they do their academics and they decide whether or not they want to go over to the armed force or they want to go on to university.
Mr. Grant stressed that the aim is to target the children from an early age. The ex-soldier also pointed out that the armed forces need to understand that the society has changed, so crime fighting has to evolve.
And we have to be steadfast. We have to look forward to the future, and we have to go back to community policing and soldiering. That is where it's at. We have to look to the youths, capture the youths from a younger age, and to try to build them. And as ex-soldiers and ex-police, the veterans, what we do, we go into schools where we look at students who people call troublesome, and we call them children who have adverse activities and behavior. And we try to counsel them, we try to mentor them so that they can be better stewards in Jamaica and the world.
Both men were speaking at a charity event for police officers and students in Christiana, Manchester recently. Halshane Burke, TVJ News.